Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the ADR scanner, which we are using this ADR indicator and scanner for intraday trade. It is one of the indicator which is available in TradingView. Based on that, we created a scanner. And then this video, how we effectively use the scanner for intraday. And people who joined on my list, that is a Telegram group, so they are also asking doubts and questions regarding this. That's why I'm making this video for my student who are joined on this Telegram group to access this scanner. It is an intraday scanner purely, but now we are looking for a monthly and a weekly ADR levels also, but not yet completed. So using this ADR, how we can effectively do that in intraday. So with that scanner, so scanner which you have created already, the 5 minutes, second 5 minutes, third 5 minutes, the closest about to that particular ADR level. Sometimes I think yesterday I faced some data issue with this particular charting website. Some of the stock is showing you the wrong data. So if you want to confirm, there is a point where higher ADR which you have mentioned in the top right side corner. So once the stock, then today in the first 5 minutes, okay, this is the three stocks I see, but in the second 5 minutes I see some of the stocks, but that is not available right now. So no problem at all. IDFC first I seen, Metropolis, Nestle, that is working good. Okay, so first 5 minutes and first 15 minutes is good enough to trade, make a 2 to 3,000 rupees, at least one or two trades in a day. So how we effectively do that? Then the first three candles are Coal India, Delta Cup and Apollo Tire. So let me go to check in the first 5 minutes. Coal India, I think this is a stock which is available in the first 5 minutes. So how we can do that? Here is the first 5 minutes candle which is closed about to the ADR. Either it is a 5 or a 10. So what is the higher and lower level? So 348, 353.9. If that risk is suitable, then you can place the order, or you can manage your risk with uh, equity. Or if you are option trader, this is what an highest point where we can buy, and this low should be the stop loss, or else you can keep that low below. So it is about some idea. Wherever based on your risk ability, you can keep your stop loss. But the stock, after the high break, the 5 minutes high break, it never reaching. Initially it keep down, but it is an intraday trade, but end of the day it reaching towards 366. I was seen and I was trying for a placing orders in this stock, 355 call option around 8 rupees, and immediately it went up to 8.7, and then it came down to 7, and finally it reaches to 90, but not taken any trades. But that is the opportunity. And the second one, Delta Cup, where the first 5 minutes you can look at this 48, and the stop loss would be 43, 5 rupees. If that stop loss is okay, then you can go for immediate. After the break from 148, it went up to 152. So in this 4 rupees movement, 150 call option, which moves more than 2.5 rupees, I think, from 8.3, it went up to 10.11 or 10.7 or 10.8 something. It is moving. And one more stock, Apollo Tire, is the third one based on the concept, but it doesn't break the high. So if you are looking for that high to break, maybe we avoid such a fake signals. So if you are taken, it is closed. If you are taken that, after that it never moves, and instead of moving higher, it is moves lower. So that's why that first 5 minutes high to break, so which you are looking for. Okay. So this was a three stock which we got it by the based on the ADR indicator today. So if you want to try, and second 5 minutes, some of the stock which happened, Metropolis, Nestle, and Nestle India, second 5 minutes. Hope you doing this second 5 minutes after that break, and it was keep moving, and it reaching to the peak. Maybe it is not liquid on stock option, so I simply ignored it. And Metropolis, the second 5 minutes candle, this is the one which is broken, and your stop loss maybe got triggered on the 5 minutes candle, and then reversal may be given you some code, but we are not going to focus this because it is a stop loss trade. Okay. And the third one is IDFC First Bank, but it doesn't break the opportunity. It doesn't give you the opportunity, I think. The second candle is a huge candle. Once it is reached to the top, but that particular level is not broken on this particular stock, and it low broken maybe a reversal. If you want, you can plan with that. Okay, that is what the second 15 minutes. And yesterday I seen some data issue with this particular charting, and today also, today not, it was Jubilant Food and Apollo Hospital. So look for a Jubilant Food. The third candle, third 5 minutes, the high is broken and it is giving you such a good result. Okay, and another one is Apollo Hospital, and this is what I think. Third 5 minutes candle high is broken, but you can look at this why it's a big stop loss candle, so no need to take it such a big riskier trade. But after that it is reversed back. So it's a 5 minutes. So maybe if you are a quick and very active to place a orders immediately and place your target and stop loss very fast, it required if you are using 5 minutes, or else you can use for a 15 minutes, first and second and third. So that may be giving you the opportunity 9:30 in the first box. This one is around 9:30, and this one is for somewhere around 9:45. The third one is around 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock, Nakuri and India Mart. Okay, so let me go for Coal India as the first candle. In 15 minutes, Coal India, Delta Cup and Metropolis. Let me check this. Whatever the stocks here in the first 5 minutes, that will be available here. Coal India. But it was initially not broken. 5 minutes maybe it broken, but 15 minutes is never broken. I hope you've seen that. 15 minutes high is not broken. And another one is about Delta Cup. That 15 minutes I also not broken. And here 15 minutes I'm looking for Metropolis and Jubilant Food. This is the one. It may be broken and it is a huge stop loss. Simply we can ignore. And finally, if you're taken, it may be a stop loss kind of trade. And Jubilant Food, Apollo Hospital. Yeah, this one is working well. So after this, because this is also be huge stop loss, if you wish, you can try. Okay, like that 15 minutes. If you are finding a low stop loss one, you can go for IDFC also not broken. And the second 15 minutes, Nestle India and Tata Communication. So let me go for Nestle India. Second 15 minutes. Oh, this was the 15 minutes high is broken. That was giving you such a big result. And another one is about to Tata Consume. And second 15 minutes. So you need to play based on your concept logic. It's a bigger candle, so that high is broken and again it came down and returned back, but initially it given you some profit and closed with the higher level only from that level. But it is a huge candle, but if you are need to check this stop loss is suitable to you or not. And last one is Nakuri and India Mart. Third one, not broken the high, no entry. And India Mart, and you can cross check, this is also not broken. The high is 2895, you can cross check with that. So 2895.83 and here. Okay, so but after that it is never broken and it is keep moving lower. So this is what for a bullish opportunity, where I can go for a bearish one also, bearish one which we already created. So this is what a bearish. First one is Siemens and Bajaj Finance. Let me go to check. Looking for market conditions, we can look for opportunity. Siemens in first 5 minutes, you can see the first 5 minutes it is exactly closed lower, and if I'm keeping below this low, and this I should be my stop loss, and then it given you some benefit from the downside. And second one is Bajaj Finance in 5 minutes. So according to the market condition, you can look for whether bullish or bearish, but it is a huge candle. You can see in the first 5 minutes a very big candle which is happening on Bajaj Finance. If you take that, maybe it going down but initially, but after that it recovered back. If you are keeping that much of stop loss, it's not good for an intraday. Okay, so and something like LTTS, Hero Motorcorp, whatever the stock which came here, it will never repeat. And LTTS, that's such a good move on a second 5 minutes candle. And Hero Motorcorp, M&M, ICICI Bank. Yesterday I was looking for ICICI Bank, but today it works well. This is what a second 15 minutes. Initially it broken and moves down, and again it went up to the stop loss level, but finally closed with lower. So this is what a second 15 minutes, second 5 minutes, and third 15 minutes we don't have any stocks. And LTTS, Hero Motor, M&M, Bajaj Finance. That LTTS works very well, and the Hero Motor Corp. What's happening? We can look for a Hero Motor Corp. on 15 minutes time as well as 5 minutes time also. 15 minutes once it is broken and it is giving you some good benefits, so you can easily plan for intraday opportunity. This dashboard, based on this indicator, we have created with a customized indicator on charting, so we can use this way, so you can utilize more, and that if any stock which is crossed above that particular level, that was working good, and look for a Motherson, Sumi and Siemens in a 15 minutes also, that was giving you such a good result. But yesterday that went a huge move, and today it may be the correction after this move from almost 3000 to almost 4250. Then now it has bounces, corrected from the top almost 4200. Now it is came to nearby 4000. Within a 4 candle it moves down, and the third one which we got it, and from 4055 it came down to 4000 level, almost 50 points. After that it goes around range bound. So like there is a two indicators, two dashboard. These are already updated on our group, and this is what a first dashboard. Simply we are looking for a 5 minutes ADR and 15 minutes ADR. And one more thing is about here 5 minutes ADR low and 15 minutes ADR low. These are all the fixed first 5 minutes candle, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. And this one, so running candle, so recent candle, any stock which forming a such a pattern, we are finding out that one. So if you are tracking this dashboard, you can easily find out those stock which is going to give you such an opportunity like that. I hope you understood the concept very well, how we are using this ADR dashboard. So many people who are asking about the doubts and questions regarding. So this is what a detail. So you can utilize it, because I'm just providing the scanner. So maybe this I'm trying for, that was working good. So if you are able to find any other new methods also, you can utilize on it. I hope you understood this concept very well. And if you want to access my premium group, that is the scanners and screeners, which is available on my Telegram group. So one-time charges. So if you want, you can also access that one. So we are looking for a daily also, daily and monthly of this particular thing. And I'm just working out how to we plan with the daily indicator, the daily ADR. That maybe soon you'll be getting updated in our channel too. And if you have any doubts and questions, just ping me here in the chat box, and how we can effectively use this ADS scanner. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe the channel if you are new to my channel.